What's up everyone, welcome to this tutorial. That's a quick one, how to make Unity into, or how to turn Unity into dark mode without Unity Pro. You just go into Window, Package Manager, plus add package from git URL, and then you go under the link in the description, github/selech/enhancer, go to clone or download, click on it, get the URL. You can copy it by clicking on this icon here and just copy it inside, click on add. Now after you've have it, you can actually not go under my assets. I think now just go project settings, and here's the editor enhancer, and just click on enable dark theme. And there we go, now you have dark mode in Unity. Just for a small info, you can enable auto enable on startup, so whenever you start the project it turns dark theme on. And also sometimes there are small bugs where you can see your text, or maybe the text is also in dark mode, which you write into the inspector or whatever on any input fields. If that happens, which is here obviously not the case, just disable and re-enable the dark mode and it should be fine. Thanks for watching. More tutorials coming soon.